Here we go. Week 20 of Sneaker Mystery Box Friday, guys. And for this week, I decided to tone down the price of the box. And this box is actually going to be $750. The reason why I'm not looking at a high tier box is because I know a lot of you guys are interested to see what are in some lower tier boxes, or what are in some of the more affordable boxes. Can I make profit off of these less than $1,000 boxes? And I know you guys are interested to see what's in there. So that's why I caught this one. I'm hoping that there's good profit, just like I'm sure you guys are as well. So we'll see what we got in here. This one is actually from Direct Kicks. We've been having good success with Direct Kicks so far, so decided to try out their $750 box. We've done their $2,000 and I believe $2,500 box as well. So far so good. Fingers crossed for the $750. And before I get to the unboxing, I did want to give a shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Reshoevn8r. Reshoevn8r is a sneaker cleaning company, and I gotta say, it is literally the best sneaker cleaning company on the market, man. Like, whether you need to deep clean a sneaker, deodorize it to get rid of a bad foot smell, or disinfect it because you guys are buying used like how we do in these boxes, then it is the sneaker cleaning company for you guys. And I will be showing you guys this product a little bit later when we start opening up these sneakers to show you guys how easy it is to use and how much you need Reshoevn8r in your life. So we can open up this box now and see what we got. Okay, interesting. Very top of the box is a Supreme bag with nothing in it, so we're off to an interesting start, man. I think this is just to like cover up the sneaker so that things don't get like damaged in here. Additionally, I see some extra stuff in here. It looks like this is some Direct Kick sneakers. I think this is a penguin. It looks like a penguin. Thinking of a Yeezy beluga of some sort. I'm not sure. Some sort of beluga. Direct Kicks stickers, so that's kind of cool. I also see one Supreme sticker as well. So yeah, I don't really understand. This might be all extra stuff. That's kind of cool. Just little added bonuses, I guess. I don't know. Anyway, aside from the stickers, there are a lot of shoes in here without boxes. So we'll start it off with this one right here. This looks like a pair of Blazers, and it is in a size 8 and a 9.5, size 9.5. What is this thing, man? It looks very interesting and kind of crazy, dude. Oh, look, there's even like this little alien thing over here on the tongue. So I'm guessing it's some kind of alien themed sneaker, man. You guys can see that Nike swoosh over there. Has kind of like a broken up like scaly pattern, as well as the shoe's overall color kind of has like a little pearlescent kind of look on here. Purple, green, some kind of red and orange. Overall, pretty unique sneaker, man. And I know people get freaked out over used shoes, man. People are like, they don't want to deal with it. They could have like germs and all of this other stuff. But that is why we have Reshoevn8r, man. Because Reshoevn8r's advanced deodorizer does not just make your shoe smell good, it also is antimicrobial and a disinfectant, man. So it gets rid of all of the germs in there and leaves it smelling good. And it's really easy to use. Basically, you just open up the cap over here, spray inside of the shoe like 2 or 3 times, and then you just let this sit out, dry a little bit, and you can already smell it. I mean, you guys can't smell it obviously behind the camera, but I can smell it. It smells very, very fresh. Whatever fragrance is in here smells really good, actually. I should put this in all my shoes. It gets rid of the bacteria, disinfects it, and also leaves it smelling fresh. So check that out on Reshoevn8r.com, man. And if you guys use code UNTIED at checkout, you will get 10% off your order. So check out that advanced deodorizer, code UNTIED, 10% off. Now, for the rest of the box, we do have a Jordan 5 over here. This looks like a kid size, Jordan 5, obviously. Size 2Y. It looks like some kind of like bread Jordan 5 in a grade school sizing, 2Y. Obviously a used sneaker, bottoms are a little bit dirtied up over there. I know these probably aren't going for a lot of money, so over here on the counter, it's probably like 20, 30 bucks, something like that. Pretty affordable if you need just a quick pair of sneakers for your kid. Last shoe without a box, it looks like, is this one right here, a pair of Jordan 8s. This one is in a size 9. Check this thing out over here. Very easy to wear and one of the most iconic Jordan 8s there are on the market. You guys can see that unique tongue over here on the top. Pretty heavy toe box creasing over here, it looks like, though, and the bottoms aren't super dirtied up. So overall, rather clean. So we do have actually one more shoe without a box in here. I didn't see this one. This one is a Nike Air Max, and it is in a size 10, and this one I believe is called the Cork, because I mean, it has cork all over it. Looks very clean. I believe it is a worn sneaker though. That bottom is kind of dirty, but the upper looks perfectly intact, man. You guys can see that all cork upper making a very unique look on this Air Max. So that's a pretty nice boost to the counter up there, man. This one looks like a Jordan 1 box in a size 8.5. I don't know what this thing is called. What is this thing called? It says on the colorway Golden Harvest, so I guess that makes sense, man. It's like a pretty monotone kind of look. All of that brown running over the shoe, and the bottoms are gum bottoms. No toe box creasing over the top. I'm a big fan of Jordan 1s, obviously, but this is not one that I'm very fond of. It does look more like a boot in my opinion, just in the shape of a Jordan 1, so not really feeling that. 3 shoes left in here. What is this? Pump It Up over here on the box. This one is a Reebok in a size 8, and I mean it is a dead stock pair because it does have the tags attached here, but I'm not sure if that will save the value of the shoe, man. Reebok's not very hyped, as you guys well know. So resale is not super strong. I don't see any markings on it, so this one is definitely brand new. You guys see that little tennis ball on the top over here on the tongue. Yeah, I mean, the thing is that even if it is new, there needs to be a level of hype in order for the shoe to sell, so not really feeling that. So not very excited over the box so far, but we do have 2 shoes left, so we'll see if we can end strong here. This one is a Jordan 1 box again, and a different colorway. This one is in the size 8. What pair do we have? Ooh, okay. So this is a pair of the crimson tints, man. And I just realized I'm wearing the shirt actually that matches almost perfectly with that Jordan 1 crimson tint. And this is honestly one of the most underrated Jordan 1s in my opinion, dude. Very clean and unique colorway. That leather is not very nice at all. It is a pretty stiff leather, but in terms of the colorway is so unique that I think it's just a very solid shoe. And the resale value is not crazy on this one either, but I mean, it is a Jordan 1, so it will sell for at least, I guess, 150 bucks or so. But the last shoe in this box is actually, hopefully, a big one because I saw this box, and this is usually a good sign for the sneakerheads that are in the know, man. Real hype sneakers right here. This one is a Jordan 5 in a size 9. And from this box, you guys should know that it is a Premio or a BIN 23. It does have the sneaker bags in here. That's a good sign. As you guys can see on this bag, it does show BIN 23. And for the shoe itself, ooh, man. Oof, that was close to dead stock. That is a pretty clean sneaker though. So for the shoe itself, this is the Jordan 5 BIN 23. And as you guys can see, this is a very premium leather sneaker. Like, this leather is super solid. It's very high quality, and the shoe itself is just a very high quality design sneaker as well. As you guys can see on the back heel, it does have that stamp that says BIN 23. And these bottoms, man, look at those bottoms. This is like a worn 1 sneaker maybe. I mean, it is a little bit discolored, but that's due to age. However, everything else looks super solid on here. But what's really sick about this series is that they're actually, part of the shoe does come with their own shoe horns. You guys can see this, made out of wood and whatnot, and it does have that Jordan logo on the top. So very unique thing right here, just to make it even more premium feeling, because premium leather needs premium quality. So this is a strong way to end this box. I feel like this one is probably at least $500 or $600, so almost the entire price of the box in 1 sneakers. Also comes with the extra laces in here, which is another good sign, and it comes with the receipt and original tag as well. This is kind of cool. It actually was bought from Nike Harajuku for $200, man, in 2011. That's crazy. This shoe nowadays would probably be one of those like $450 Jordans, like premium leather Jordans. They're expensive nowadays. So very strong way to end the box, and that is what you could probably expect from a $750 box from Direct Kicks. Now, I'm not certain what the final evaluation was on the counter over here, but in terms of like just looking at the box and kind of going off the top of my head, I feel like just the Premio, like I was mentioning, is probably the best value in that box, along with a couple easy to move Jordan 1s. And I completely forgot about that Nike Air Max Cork, which is another solid piece for resale. So I think we came out on top on this box, and I'm definitely going to be utilizing that advanced deodorizer from Reshoevn8r. If you guys want your own Reshoevn8r advanced deodorizer, which highly recommend, man, go to reshoevn8r.com, man. It's super affordable. And if you guys use the code UNTIED, 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 not United, Untied. If you guys use Untied at checkout, you will get 10% off your order. This is essential for you guys. That is it for this video, man. Week 20 is a wrap. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, feel free to subscribe down below. And if you guys did enjoy the video, don't forget to hit that like button as well. Until next time though, stay humble, stay blessed, take care. I will see you on the next video. Aloha. Shoots!